Introducing Finrail, a clean, compliant and cost-effective aluminium railing system designed for both pool fencing and fall protection. Whether you're installing a 1.2 metre pool fence or a 1.5 to 1.8 metre balustrade, Finrail delivers safety and style in one seamless system. Let's run through the install. Start by marking your post centres. Accuracy is key to a clean finish. For concrete or tiled surfaces, core a 10mm hole through the tile using a 20mm diamond core bit. Then drill a 95mm deep hole using an 18mm diamond masonry bit. Before using epoxy, cleaning is critical. Use a wire bottle brush followed by compressed air or a blow pump to remove dust and debris. Fill the hole about 3/4 full with RE500 epoxy resin, then insert M10 threaded rods and allow the resin to fully cure. Once cured, install your posts using half nuts, washers and dome nuts. Use a builder's square to ensure your posts are plumb. This system allows for micro-adjustment, making it perfect for uneven surfaces or long-term maintenance. For timber decks, use M10 lag screws in place of threaded rods and repeat the same process using half nuts, washers and dome nuts for consistent, adjustable installation. Pro tip: always pre-drill pilot holes before inserting screws to prevent splitting and ensure clean alignment. With your posts in place, it's time to install the Finrail standard panels. Mark the appropriate height, then install the attachment brackets. Panels slot in cleanly and securely, delivering a sharp, flush finish every time. Finrail gives you 4 great installation options for pool fencing. Option 1. Core drilling into concrete. Core a hole to the required depth, insert the post, set it level and brace until the concrete cures. Option 2. Epoxy anchoring. Repeat the earlier process. Core through tile, drill, clean thoroughly, epoxy the M10 rods and install your posts. Remember to cut posts to suit the slope of your concrete for a visually level finish that still meets pool fencing height regulations. Option 3. Timber fixing. Use M10 lag screws into timber decking, just as shown earlier. Option 4. J-vise ground screws. Perfect for sites where continuous footings aren't ideal. Use J-vise ground screws with our adaptable post plates to ensure it lines up and is straightforward to install. The ground screws sit just below the surface. No visible fixings, no trip hazards. This method allows you to install fencing in a day, even on soft ground with no existing footings. And that's a wrap. A clean, compliant install using the versatile Finrail system. To find out more or explore our full range of standard panels and accessories, check out www.glassvice.com.